What is the best way to combine complex technology with simple handling? How do you balance optimal aesthetics with the needs of the individual user? How do dental technicians and dentists benefit from the latest innovations? Introducing the new Vita VacuMat, the next generation firing system. Modern dental laboratories require technologies that support complex processes in the best possible way. With the new generation of VacuMat ceramic furnaces, Vita offers a system which helps users gain a significant competitive edge through economic efficiency and flexibility.
Innovative development requires precise analysis. Most important is to listen carefully to what our customers have to say. We asked which features can be improved upon. Included were ease of use. It must be quick and simple. No time should be wasted when accessing a program. The second most important aspect, shorter process times. It must be possible to achieve a complete firing result very quickly and with the desired high-quality level. The third key aspect is, of course, the device's dependability. The unit needs to function properly all day long over many years without any and, ifs, or buts.
Vita has been setting standards in dentistry for more than 80 years. Based on analyses from our customers' requirements, we create solutions to meet highest demands in the present as well as in the future. Our development objectives with the new generation Vita VacuMat furnaces was to open up entirely new possibilities for our customers, thanks to innovative technologies, new workflow enhancement concepts, and customized firing system configuration programs. This is how the innovative modular furnace system for today's requirements and tomorrow's growth was developed. A system that intelligently combines convenient working processes, dependability, efficiency, and flexibility.
Quality needs a form. We apply this concept to the requests and ideas suggested by our customers. Design should be appealing and ergonomic. Equipment should be easy to use and be well integrated into the laboratory environment. Customers should be able to select from a wide range of possibilities to fit every need.
With the new VacuMat furnace, Vita succeeded in developing the smallest furnace in its class. Moreover, the ergonomic design was thought through down to the very last detail. And everything is exactly there where the user expects it to be. The separate Vita VPad control panel offers superior flexibility and, depending on the type of control unit chosen, enables the user to control up to 4 furnaces. The Vita VacuMat 6000 is available in 2 versions. The Vita VacuMat 6000M furnace is suitable for all materials and dental ceramics. The Vita VacuMat 6000MP combination furnace can, in addition, be used for pressing all types of pressed ceramics. New firing chamber materials have been perfectly matched with the proven quartz firing muffle and ensure for a most homogeneous heat distribution within the firing chamber. Condensation in the insulating material is eliminated through an automatic program. The result? Consistent, highly aesthetic firing results. The firing temperature is automatically adjusted at the start of every program. Consequently, exact firing temperatures are guaranteed, even when the furnace is operated over longer periods of time. Manual calibration is not required. Adaptive pressing with automatic press stroke detection saves time and produces reliable and precise results. The latest generation of Vita furnaces guarantee trouble-free, economical operation and long durability. Intuitive operation is a distinctive feature of the Vita control panel's VPAD Easy, VPAD Comfort, and VPAD Excellence. Individual requirements can be perfectly implemented thanks to a wide array of options and numerous sophisticated extras. Multiple furnace control with one panel offers an additional cost advantage. Simple and convenient control of up to 4 furnaces is possible with the Vita VPAD Excellence. The new generation Vita VacuMat furnace system overperforms on all the requirements of modern premium ceramic furnaces. The unique range of versions and the option of modular custom design enables individual economical solutions when configuring your own firing system.
For us, quality means that we use only top components, which are assembled in our facilities in Bad Säckingen. Each furnace is subject to numerous tests at the end of the assembly process. And only after each furnace has successfully completed various thermal, mechanical, and electrical tests is it finally delivered to the customer.
With the innovative Vita VacuMat furnace, Vita has created a successful firing system that combines flexibility, individuality, and cost-effectiveness. And this is exactly what our customers appreciate.